Stay back. What you got, Eli? What you got? It's a rooster. What's a horse say? What does a cow say? What does a duck say? That's a sheep. What's a duck say? What does a dog say? What's a fish say, Eli? What's this? Dog. What's a lion say? What does an elephant say? Very good. That's a leopard. What does a snake say? Good job. What does a shark say? Simon, what does a crab say?
Snap, 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 snap.
That's right. What does an owl say, Eli? Very good. And what does a wolf say?
Ow! Ow!
Good job. Simon, what does a deer say?
Don't shoot me.
Don't shoot me. There's another owl, Eli. What's the owl say? Hoo-hoo. Do you remember what a penguin says?
Yeah.
Waddle, 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 waddle. What's a frog say? Yeah. What else you see? Hoo-hoo. You like that owl, don't you?
I know what the
Simon.
say. Ribbit.
That's right.
Ribbit.
What else do we have? Eli, what's a tiger say? What's a cat say?
Meow. Meow.
What's a cow say?
Moo. Now let me have a turn.
Well, baby, that's because I know you know the answer. What's a horse say? Eli, what's a horse say?
Let me do one.
What's a dog say? Woof. What's a piggy say?
I'm gonna do that.
What does it say?
Oink.
That's right. All right.
You wanna do these?
In just a second.
That. No.
Eli, can you say hi?
Hey.
Hi. Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye.